payback time, yes?
Yes.
Yeah. 13 are refusing to pay for the main course. 4 are still refusing to pay for the starter. See if we can get 50 customers happy to pay for the souffle. Yes? Yeah. Right, rhubarb and ginger souffle. Yeah? Get it right, it works to perfection. Yeah, work sloppy, you've got a fucking disaster on your hands. Okay, simple. Basically, pastry cream is like a thick custard. Yeah. That's the base. Okay, if we haven't got a proper base in the souffle, it doesn't give any momentum. Okay? Yeah. And inside the pastry cream is eggs, sugar, cream, milk. That's it. And a touch of corn flour to thicken it. This base is always the same in every souffle. First thing you do, get your whisk and whisk in your pastry cream with your rhubarb. Okay? Okay, look. Then beat your egg whites. Now they're getting really nice and fluffy. I'm going to sprinkle 1 ladle of sugar in there, very slowly. Vigorously beat 2/3 of your egg whites into the pastry cream and rhubarb puree. And everyone thinks that you've got to be really delicate with a souffle. But if you are really delicate with a souffle, what comes out is just a lumpy mess of egg white. No lumps anywhere. Nice and smooth. Yeah. The rest of the mix, this is where we fold it in now. Okay? But we don't beat it in, we just sort of fold and turn. And obviously, crucial, the moulds have got to be buttered properly. And when you bang down, it all evens down the bottom of the mould, so there's no unevenness. If we didn't do that, and it sits uneven, the souffles just explode out. Okay? Fill up the mould now, take your palette knife, and look, off in one. Over there like that, yeah, off. And just to get a little lip on there, look, get your thumb and roll it down the side, and that puts a little bit of a lip on your souffle. It's really important for you to get this one, you know that, because so far throughout tonight, every first fucking dish you've made of every course, you fucked up. I want you to get this one right, yeah? Yeah. Guys.
Yes, chef.
Souffle means puffed up, yes?
Yes, chef.
Not Bolton's cow pat. Bear that in mind. I want to see stunning souffles, Adrian.
Yes, chef.
Let's go, guys, yes? Come on, guys, any in yet? Come on. Right, guys, the first souffle should be in by now. Damon,
yes, chef.
Are those moulds spotless? I can see shit and gunk and egg white all over them, and it'd be a shame to make a perfect souffle, then spoil it with a filthy, dirty mould. Adrian, have you put the puree at the bottom?
Just realised, chef.
Oh, come on, big boy. I just said to you earlier how important it was for you not to fuck this first table up. Come on.
There.
Yeah, just feel, look, on the side, look. Sounds like you've got too much egg in there.
Right.
Yeah, and not enough pastry cream, yeah?
What's the upshot, do you think?
Yeah, the upshot is the bin. And don't slam the fucking thing, you'll knock the air out of the souffle. Come on. Fucking hell, guys. Obviously, fucking Bolton's not famous for souffles.
No.
This is a first for me. Hey, I know I'm fucking laughing. I don't know whether to laugh, cry, or fucking jump in the Thames, but this is a first. Souffles served with a fucking straw. They're exploding now. Look at those moulds.
Are they all right?
Oh, come on.
Oh, the moulds, sorry.
Come on. Look at the moulds. Guys, gentlemen, yeah?
Yes, chef.
It's an hour ago since that first ticket came in. Dean.
Yes, chef.
Dean, it's taken us an hour to get this out.
Yes, chef.
So basically, hello, guys, just step up a gear and sort of move our ass a little bit, yeah?
Yes, chef.
Yeah? Gentlemen, there's customers out there now on the verge of leaving because they're waiting too long for their fucking dessert. All I want is 50 customers served with 50 souffles and 50 fucking bills paid. You've got to help me, guys, yeah?
Yes,
guys, you can at least put them on the tray for me or do something on the plate, yes? Right, I'm going to ask you an honest question now, yeah? Look at those moulds and tell me you're happy for that.
I'm not happy.
No, nor am I.
Do you want me to take them back and do them again?
I'm asking you, are you happy with them?
No, I'm not happy with them.
Would you pay for them?
No.
Nor would fucking I.
Well, the 5 people who are getting them, I'll pay the fucking bill. All right.
Adrian.
Yes, sir.
If you thought you were coming in this restaurant to run it with your standards, you needn't even bother coming. I'm running it with my standards because whether you like it or not, it's my reputation on the line.
Yes,
End of fucking story.
Yes, chef.
Thank you, chef.
You finish them off, you're fucking speaking to me like that.
OK, you'll finish them off, speaking like, so you're going home. What do you want me to say? Well done for fucking the mould.
I don't want you to say, I want you to say something once, Mr. Ramsay, and then shut the fuck up.
Oh, what do you mean? Shut the...
Just tell me once you're not happy and then leave me alone.
Do me a favour. Get out and cool down, take some fucking fresh air and have a big think. Thank you. Get the plates, please. I'll dust them. You put them on the plate.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you.
Could he deliver fucking 10 beds out of my van to satisfaction for customers spending £10,000 without damaging a piece of wallpaper? I fucking doubt it.
How long are you there, please, Damon?
5 years, chef.
Thank you. Where is he? Right, come on.
Got it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's really important for me, yeah, to get you back in there and finish it. And the reason why I push you so hard is because I want the best.
Right.
Yeah? And take me out of the equation. I don't give a fuck if you hate my guts.
I don't hate you at all.
It's the customers. You've got every right to be upset because they're a pile of shit. It's really important for me, for you to get back in the kitchen and do the last 2 tables on your own. Your brother's...
No, I'm not up to it. No, I'm not up to it. No.
Let's do it together then.
Come on then.
Let's do it. Yes?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Let's go. That's it. Beat the shit out of it. Good. Harder. Good. Yeah. Pretend that's my head in there, okay? Let's go. More egg white, please. There you go. It's amazing how you fucking sped up now. Fucking hell. Thank fuck we're ending on a high. Good. Up we go. Service, please. Look at that. Beautiful. Go. That's the best one of the night, yes? Fucking hell. Well, I'm not going to fucking Bolton for a holiday, that's for sure. Yeah. OK, guys, 2 seconds, please. How the souffle's gone down?
Not very well. We're having 39 people who are not happy to pay for the desserts out of 50.
39 out of 50?
Yeah.
So only 11 customers would pay for the souffle?
Yeah. Main reason is waiting time and bad consistency.
So that's 4 that didn't want to pay for the soup, 13 that didn't want to pay for the main, and 39 that didn't want to pay for the souffle.
So just 94 were paid for out of 150.
That's over a third, guys. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's not fucking good, is it?
No. Nope.
More importantly, yeah, whatever we went through, the tempestuous fucking service that we went through, no one fucking gave up. And I'm glad you came back.
Thank you.
For me,
And I sincerely
I'm glad you
apologise
came
again.
back. You may have been slightly shy, but you're not fucking quitters.
If you invited me back next week to do
Yes.
it again, I really would, sincerely.
And if you were back in my kitchen, fuck me, will I be down the gym a week before?